Today I'm going to unbox this wooden crate. It consists of two guns. One is Haenel and the other one should be Benjamin Sheredian. Yeah, you can try to open first. It comes from Surabaya. I found this from a friend, Mr. Bamwi. Yeah. Try. Can you? You're strong enough. And you're strong enough to lever. Come, I'll show you. You leverage from here. Yes. Like so. There. Yeah. See? Yeah, see? Yeah, the other one. Yes, correct. Yeah, put those in. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, that's it. Small nails. Yeah, the other one. That's my table. Masukin dulu. Ya. Opening crate. This side. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. You lift up the box, I hold the crate. Oh, it's open. Okay. This one. Okay. Diopter handle. This is the flip over the crate. Okay, lift it up somewhere. Very tight space. Okay. So this one is open. I think you can try. Oops. One is already open. So hello Benjamin. Yeah.
Hello Benjamin. How about this?
Wow, it's still nice in the box. This is Benjamin Sheredian. Should be. It works best with Grossman ammo. No. It's like that. It's like that. No. No rifle. It works like that. No. Yeah. It's like that. Just let me view at the box first. This is a Benjamin 397. Yep. First time I got this with the original box. I don't know which year edition is this, But this is a beautiful gun. Okay, let's see the inside. Is it the same? Oops. This from a collector, and he says is NOS condition, NOS or new old stock, which is still in the plastic original. Wow. Yes, love it. Still in a new old stock current condition. Okay. Here's the box. Here's the gun. Wow.
The wood is also very smooth.
The wood is still very nice
Still
condition. The barrel, I have not seen marking yet. Oh, there's the marking. Oops. Okay. So there are some marking here. And more markings here. Yes. Still new. Really a safe condition. Trigger is very light. There's a locking mechanism at the end of the stock. Yes, it's still in a good condition. Vision, rear vision, front vision. Alright, so that's the Benjamin. Let's keep it aside. That side, yes, no. Yeah, for the gun, yes. Okay, now that's the Haenel. Very nice packing, very nice packaging. Okay. Yeah. First time I saw a 303 Haenel. Watch your hand. On. Let's see. Oh, we should have opened the diopter too. Wow. Ta-da. Very smooth stock. Very smooth gun. Wait a minute. Take a picture of it. Yes, let's see the marking. It is Haenel model 303 Super, and that's the caliber. Oh, I can't see. Wait, hold it. Wait. There you go. Caliber 45. There you go. Serial number. But very nice. It's a collector condition too. Okay, leave it there. Okay, everybody, that's the Haenel. Now we're going to open the diopter. While opening the diopter, it has big front side, and the rear side will be a diopter mounted here at the grills, and that's the marking on the grill. I'm not sure yet what it is. Well, put these two together, it's considered quite expensive over here. That's the diopter. I think you lift up the gun. Can you, Raven? Can you lift up the gun? I think I'm going to put some base here, a brighter base. Yep. There's the diopter.
And go in there.
And go in the behind here. The diopter look like. Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. I will review this later. Today is just the unboxing of the 2 guns that I get.
So now we're gonna try to attach this diopter into the Haenel.
Okay.
There's a bit of control there. We can set it
Tighter.
tighter.
Tighten it. Yeah, okay.
We're gonna put it in here.
There's a rail there. Yes.
Okay, now we tighten it up. Tighten it.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Okay, now it's tightened. There you go.
Okay. Okay. Yes, so this is how the Haenel should look like. The 303. Okay, we're going to try to shoot it in our next video. Thank you for watching, and please watch our other videos. See you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah. This is very tight space in my kitchen. My wife's kitchen, not mine kitchen.